Laugh in the school.
Laugh in the school.
Let's go and see first.
Who can't solve it? I can't solve it. Can't you solve this question? You. Look at this one.
But this one look also go fees.
Who? Hey. Oh, it's too serious. I look also.
Do you want that guy to come and do this?
You want
that thing's from here. Why?
You think you want to spend 10 hours on this?
Sake of school fees, you left me for here. This niggas pan. See this. That's what guy. You left like 3 days this, come. Farai, come. That logos or guy cry where I called Davis if he say left house. See me where I day here me talk.
My laugh in the school.
Laugh in the schools.
Hello. Bebe. I'm Jamina. Beautiful pawpaw. Hey! Tum brony. I beg, make you come, 1 minute. See. Oh. I beg, can't stand here. Hey, see, can't sit there.
I'm okay.
Let me take you back. Let me take you back. Let me take you back. Let me take you back.
Voila.
Let me take.
Terry, don't go see. I better make I see you.
What do you guys want to do with us?
You know, we need a mix. So what's up?
It be some business move where we don't talk plus you.
Business. With you, too. No.
What be the business?
Hey, that's all. It's no be a matter. You ready?
Hey! Why you people they laugh for? Shut up your mouth for them.
Laugh in the school.
Laugh in the school.
Charlie, I said, what's up? You get the money?
No, Charlie. They have the money somewhere, but then you know they're rich.
Charlie, me, I make wild wow. I do go house right, I don't want to make the man come disgrace me for class.
My old boy say he and the man talk. Tomorrow he go come the school inside.
All that I don't want to tell you, be say. 1, you be pretty. 2, I dey love you.
No, wait. You...
I said I love you. 1, 4, 3.
Oh, are you okay?
I'm in a fix, Charlie. So I need some money to bail myself out. So I'm selling this phone of mine.
The phone they be wa CM. You are selling which phone? This machete. This one. Terry, not be this one where they use when we inform one.
Yeah, that one said to be past this one. But you guys, they won't sell phone and you be out of date phone, you can't sell. This phone.
Laugh in the school.
Laugh in the school.
This one.
Sometimes I think about my life.
Charlie, me, I do hunger, so you know, get some small shit over there.
No, Charlie, me say I make what do
I get small sugar for day. We could go take chop the gari.
But you, Gary and sugar, we're no gonna to make the inside.
See
what?
You don't want milk. You will want chopper, you say protein. Make we go then go chop then shun that thing. You they come school and give you milk.
Oh, Charlie, make you guys watch me. Why you want chop left me?
But you parasite. What? This small guy, you don't go share plus 3. Charlie, make
why?
you go.
Why you want me or what? Oh, make her go.
Let me take you back. Let me take you back.
For me now.
Let me take you back. Let me take you.
Are you okay? Are you alright? You give me money. Can you take care of me?
Hey, senior cancer. Sano.
I'm glitzy.
Yeah, I hear. Come on for that.
Are you done with senior tell this girl?
Hey, Sano, I say cool.
You miss Valeria praise, okay?
I hear. Fucking boy, you say
You what?
I said 1, 4, 3. I love you.
You love me.
Yes.
Is everything okay?
Excuse us. You know what? We only give you the money on one condition.
And what would that condition be?
You know what? Okay. For your boss. You're the one to help.
That you carry our bags to class for us.
Every morning.
What?
Yeah, because we really don't need this phone. We only need our pound of flesh from you guys because you don't respect us.
Hey, hold it there. Are you nuts? Or you think I'm such a fool?
You guys, you fool. Make we carry your bags, go give you for class.
Nah, you're done.
Yeah.
But you guys, watch yourself. Wow. We go get you one by one.
See this one.
Hey.
Did you tell somebody before telling me?
This one no be somebody in my type, be me than you.
Have you taken anything?
This morning?
Yes.
I take sangaribi and granite where I can't class.
It's affecting you.
Oh.
It's affecting you. Go get some medicine.
Me?
Yes. And listen, the next time you call me to tell me this bullshit,
hey,
I'll make sure I kill you with my bare hands.
Let me take you back, let me take you back. Let me take you back, let me take you back.
Hey, you not be say I dey love you. I just the one talk you say I the one give you some petty job you do. See am. Hey, that Siano guy also hey, see this chick where you get down, you the mafia do the. Hey, Siano!
But you guys won't fight or what?
Shatter them.
Come on for here.
Oh, you guys there, you don't say me there. We there, you don't get beef. Yeah.
But you guys there, we go see. We go get you. Your day go come. Masa, we will go there that day. We go there that day. Eh? My friend, come on for here. You wanna day go come.
You to your time.
Now we a school rat, and now we a good boy. Now we call SU, and now we a clap girl. Now we a fresh boy, and now we a fresh girl. Now we a big spy, and now we a real laugh in the school.
Laugh in the school.
You guys at the home.
It be food with the sell.
Yeah. So how much you they sell am?
But you just get money.
You a fool or what? I know who get more money I like. How they ask?
It be 80 cedis.
What? You figure say we dey World Bank now. Where student go get that money.
Oh.
You go talk. Why you dey mention big money so?
Laugh in the school.
Laugh in the school.
At Terry's party, girls, I'm telling you, you should have seen me. I mean, Paris was there. She knows what I'm talking about.
Right in front of me, girl. This girl just took Terry from his girlfriend, just like that.
What? How in the world did you do that? Well, I knew he would fall for you, but certainly not this quick.
Well, I did my magic on him. I turned up at the party in this hot pants and an equally hot top to match. By the time I got to him and hugged him, he forgot his girl was around.
Oh yeah?
That's not all, girls. When I pulled him to dance with me, he was all over me. I sure made him fall for my curves, you know. By the time I realized, the young man was suddenly a baby.
So how much you go fi pay?
Make I see. I will give you 30 Ghana.
Oh nah. But you why?
I love or you need to love.
Who's got that perfume? It's really nice, girl. Isn't it or something?
I don't really know. My dad got it for me from the UK.
It's really nice, you know. It's even nicer than mine.
Girl, why are you faking it? Are you trying to say it smells nicer than what your dad got for you from Paris?
Yeah.
Oh, please. Who is calling? Who is this? Hello? Who is this?
You are the beg, make we attach something small, eh?
Yeah. That one's every maybe my school fees some that. So you know the lover. They go. Yeah.
Man alone.
Me, and then you know those. Eh? You say you no go sell the thing give me. Well, I be your beef.
Oh dear, it's you. No, I'm listening. No, it won't be a worry. We can meet tomorrow, you know. Okay, dear, have sweet dreams about me. Bye.
Hey, that's the girl.
We don't see you.
See, I mean for what?
Yo, you go take the move, give you so now.
Huh? You pa. For hello me make I give you money.
Sometimes I think about my life in the school.
Life in the school.
Man alone.
My life in the school.
Hey, that guy said he's getting something really special tomorrow.
I can see you girls are going on quite well. I wish it was like mine in PCG. You know that nasty girl is always around him.
Who? That Benedetta girl. The one in the Punani group. Those hustling girls.
Yeah, that same one.
Well, it looks as if that girl is all over Kwesiji, and you know how those girls are. They are a bunch of gold diggers.
I'll definitely make sure Terry doesn't fall victim for those kind of advances. I'll give him anything he wants. I mean, anything. Let's go to the door.
Life in the school.
Life in the school.
Let me take you back, let me take you back. Let me take you back, let me take you back. Let me take you back, let me take you back. Let me take you back, let me take you back to the life in the school.
Life in the school.
Sometimes I think about my life in the school.
Life in the school.
My life in the school.
I say me, you do it. By the time you call, say, all right, time up. Stop work. My heart cool because Charlie, I don't rep anything. What's your rep?
In fact, you, Charlie, I hear see you can't finish you. In fact, I hear see the move be rough.
Let's see. I mean, you know how we roll.
Hey, boy.
Woo! Hey! But seriously, Charlie, the way this chick make her tired, hey, the way I suffer, eh? Suffer me this. You know, be easy, oh. Hey, I be, you know, women. I do corner the way then she do him body. Hey, no be easy. Wait the way you chop my money too. You know me today, oh. Everybody. Hey, you. Charlie, I buy things, me a tire, sir.
But me, I hear see them did the same hood though.
Charlie, the way they did this, you. Then times up, then she be nobody, then she be some yawa girl cry. Then we need to see himself. But she can't school for 2 times. No, the way inspect and things can make the. You see himself, but me had the fear.
Serious. But Charlie, see, as you get time there, for make fast movements. Sure. Make sure say no yawa go buy.
Fast cry. You say waiting. Sure, the way this chick make her bread, I for look sharp cry. I be today be Friday.
Yeah.
But you go down, go chill cry. You say waiting.
Ready now?
You did there. You guys say we they play. I mean, you boys, you already know me. You don't say me, nothing. I don't waste time. I did like a bed on the flight. I did perch everywhere. You understand? Charlie, we did go down, go chill. Me, I don't go come cry till maybe Monday or something. I can't say we don't go see me.
But where you guys go? Farrell, but you sharp on. Would they behave like no naughty?
Tell them.
Then you go there some motel crowd. You say what?
Hey, now. Hey.
The way they do.
I sure say Kosovo self should be a woman. You never touch her.
Oh, you know touch her. Oh, down.
How you go feel respect?
No, my phone carbon, Gary Sokins, na my ya, oh low. I'm like, give me your phone, let me call my mom. Let me try to send me oh no. Life in the school.
Life in the school.
Sometimes I think about my life in the school.
Life in the school.
My life.
The life is slow. Lazy, slow. The life is slow. The life is slow. Ciano!
Laugh in the school.
Laugh in the school.
Charlie, if you look sharp, because women there, for all you know, she go think of bouncing you. Me, by the time you think about it, there, then me, I take my own self for inside. Though.
See, that be the worst of a wise man.
That be the worst.
What you guys they talk will be true.
Sure.
You did there. You see, Ekuya, me, I finish up. What are they take him do again?
Hey, see, me, I get some money for there. We in to get some money. So I dey make it come bring all there. We go take hard. We dey go town, go chill, crap. 3 solid days. Everywhere action day. We dey there.
Not
I go there and do things.
I swear.
At the time, we go come school inside like Monday. No fit see me sef.
Hey boy.
You dey there.
But in fact, Charlie, I no go slack crowd.
Look sharp.
I no go slack. Then time me I dey fear say they go bab me.
For where?
I dey fear. Look, I dey go say already no make you arrange things, then make it look sharp.
Hey, fast.
But you figure say it be stone they take do that thing. Oh. You forget money, oh. You forget plenty though.
But Charlie, you this your Kosovo girl too. You dey like you no. Nothing give am. Me that just have name the bore me. Check where you name be Kosovo.
Kosovo.
Like for take some Abu Dhabi or maybe some London or something. Inside go help.
Some swag safe.
Kosovo there nothing give am oh. Kosovo check.
Charlie naughty. This one there, in fact I go do anything. I go do anything. Even if it be my school fees, Charlie, I go take do am.
Look sharp.
By all means, I go do something to replace am. Even if I go lie, I go lie. Even if I go sell my things crash, Charlie, I go sell am. Charlie, you know, I get blue balls too much. Oh.
Charlie, you something they wrong you. Or you dey craze. You dey craze.
But you smoke. What they wrong you? What they wrong you? If a boy here say he don't want to take his school fees go spread in Kosovo, what be your holla? What be your problem for inside? You never chop your school fees before. Master, I dare your back 24/7.
Me my own they no be plenty money as one of the talk. It be some small chilling.
And so what? I say go get money to replace am.
Hey, go get.
What be your problem? What didn't happen before?
Boy, show me
before.
Asanka what? It no be Ankamsa. I say Asanka. I see you. Hey, you did the public inside. You do. Oh, Tlesi, touch me. Do the. See him.
You are right. Me, I'm a paradise. I'm enjoying you. You can't wake me up.
Paradise indeed.
Please and please. If you saw me enjoying now, don't wake me. Please.
Hey, see, Siano. I talk you say make you grow. Then learn sense.
Everybody. Run sense. Me, I want sense to run me. I want sense to run me.
You are not sure, cry say you go even come out for this school with certificate. Fool. First they call you for the inside there. Come on for that.
Please.
What?
But
see him.
You write that for you can't do so my inference.
Yo, me I dey talk you. You know say I'm asking about me. Where you two? You know say your old boy be mafia bastard.
Italian mafia. Hello boys. Can I please talk to you for a while?
Charlie, if I see this kind of guy say me at the ball, Charlie, me I dey go inside there.
Yeah, more time. Kwesi.
Charlie, come out for there. You don't know my name. My name be Smoke. If you don't know my name, make you no call me.
Okay, Smoke.
Come on for there.
Smoke.
Hey, no talk. Which I go left for? Master, talk make wanna hear.
Okay. Please, we just got to Form 3.
So what?
About the school scripture union.
You mean the SU?
Yes.
You fool, eh? Oh, Fion! You fool, you don't get sense, eh?
Please, we organize a prayer program for the Form 3s, and I am personally inviting you guys to come.
Hey, I never know say you fool like that. If you get a person, don't get time. Sick of this way, they can't waste our time. Fion!
Like we know we for go plus smoke.
I shop self say why me a day here. Hey, see, you make her address you well. If you never know where they can't talk SU and this your fucking bullshit SU something, the way I will take do you see your shoe and see my shoe. If they can't invite me say SU say waiting. You should say the SU be my class. You fool. Massa, if you don't know where next time you can't call me for SU. You go see what will happen to you. Today be Friday, me I go back get some peace of mind. Afterwards, I have an appointment with my chick. We go town. We go chill at your Monday. So you did there with your fucking fucked up so-called SU. Man. You say what SU?
But you actually. I mean, you know how my boys don't be. Anyway, I mean, girls, chicks, they will come.
Oh, there'll be more of the SU girls. They will be coming.
Then can't guess. Then they bought me so no. Then be you pay where you go. Me pa. Charlie, I know we'll go there. Make I give you some marketing strategy, eh? Invite more girls, I mean chicks, make them come. Then do some after party. You will see how more people go come. Me I tell you finish you. You better say me go look for some garage shop. Like go there they disturb us with this your prayer thing. Nonsense.
Laugh in the school.
Laugh in the school.
Sometimes I think about my life in the school.
Laugh in the school.
My life in the school. Laugh in the school.
Laugh in the school.
Your hands upon a dead man's gun and you're looking down the sights. Your heart is worn and the seams are torn and
let me take you back, let me take you back. Let me take you back, let me take you back. Let me take you back, let me take you back. Let me take you back, let me take you back to the life in the school.
Laugh in the school.
Sometimes I think about my life in the school.
Laugh in the school.
My life in the school. Sometimes I think about my life in the school. Now we a school rat, and now we a good boy. Now we call SU, and now we a clap girl. Now we a fresh boy, and now we a fresh girl. Now we a big spy, and now we a real blow. Tell me, laugh in the school.
Laugh in the school.
Sometimes I think about my life in the school.
Laugh in the school.
My life in the school. Sometimes I think about my life in the school. Let me take you back to my school days. I be the kind of nigga I'm in Ethiopia case. Don't give a damn to me for now me share me lays. Now send me sick class and nigga Jehovah Grace. Hey, let me take you way back. I be the kind of nigga no go feed by breast F, no cash. I guess the more just to pass clear. Filling my paper used to be my biggest fear, no rest. Sometimes I feel like I'm alone. My phone carbon, Gary Sokins, now my yaya, oh Lord. I'm like, give me your phone, let me call my mom. Now me trying to send me fear, oh no. Laugh in the school.
Laugh in the school.
Sometimes I think about my life in the school.
Laugh in the school.
My life in the school. Sometimes I think about my life in the school. Now we a school rat, and now we a good boy. Now we call SU, and now we a clap girl. Now we a